Good morning, children. Welcome to class 5. So, today we are going to learn Maths, Chapter 1, Large Numbers, and lesson objective is to appreciate the importance of counting and learn how its invention is connected to prehistoric times and to introduce large numbers. To learn about the Indian system of numeration. So, let's do an activity. Playing. Will you also play with numbers? I have some cards with me. 5, 6, 8, 3, 2. These are the number cards which I have with me. What I have done with that? I will make a 5-digit number of it. I can make any number of it. So I have made 6, 8, 3, 2, 5. I've done a number 6, 8, 3, 2, 5. Now I want to make a largest number and smallest number of this 5-digit number. Can I make? Yes. So the largest number is 86352. It's my greatest number, and 23568 is my smallest number. Yes, I enjoyed finding the greatest and small numbers. Now I have a doubt. Where do we use these numbers in our daily life? Where do we use? If I'm traveling by car, I will be able to see a kilometer reading there. There I'm using these numbers, which are 5-digit numbers or 6-digit numbers. And I am using these numbers I'm using these numbers for counting money. I'm using this for weight. I'm using this for distance. Right. So we are using we are using them in so many ways. So the numbers are to us. So children, I will also ask you to do an activity like this. Take any 5 numbers, make your own 5-digit number and make the greatest number of it and the smallest number of it. And I enjoyed doing this one. Hope you will also enjoy it. Now, let's begin. So just look at the pictures, children. So earlier days, it was in a way where the people who used to grow the sheep herder taking his herd out to graze, they do not know how to count. Yet every evening they manage to get their sheep back to the farm. Likewise, in prehistoric times also, people hunted animals to survive. There was no count to them as they did not possess anything. So what has happened? So they moved on to 100, and they move as they need for counting grew. They realized that 10 is not a stopping place. They moved to 100 and again to 1000 and so on, giving each number a name. The naming of numbers led to the beginning of the concept of a place value chart. The number chart shows you how numerals were written at different points in time. So such a wonderful thing, right? So earlier they used to hunt animals and they were not knowing the count of it. So 10 they have made it into 100 and 100 they have made it into thousands and thousands they have made it into 10,000s. Like that they started increasing. Now, in today's world, we cannot think of surviving without counting. We count money, distance, weight, etc. And we can see the distance between Earth and the Sun also. And for that also, we need numbers, the kilometers. Can you guess what is the population of our country, India? Yes, So this much is the population of our India. These are really very large numbers. So today in chapter, you will be learning much about these chapters, about these numbers. Introducing large numbers. What is the 5 largest digit number? Largest 5-digit number. It is 9,000, 99,999. Means 5 nines. Make largest 5-digit number. I want to make it 6-digit number. How can I make? By adding 1. I added 1 to it. It became 6-digit number. Right. So it became a lakh. Is that number smallest or largest? It is a smallest 6-digit number. So from the largest 5-digit number, by adding 1 to it, we have made a smallest 6-digit number. So let's learn something about the human system of numeration.
Sam is enjoying watching television. Let's see what he is watching. Sam seems to be watching a quiz show and the answer shows a 6-digit number. Sam has now switched on to some other channel and it too seems to be showing a similar quiz show. The answer shown on the screen also shows a 6-digit number. As you can see, both these numbers are actually the same. The only difference is the placement of the commas. Why is this? The placement of commas is different because the numbers are written according to two different place value systems: the Indian place value system and the international place value system. Let's learn about these systems. Let's start with the Indian place value system. Consider a 6-digit number as shown. Let's write this number according to the Indian system of place values. Here is the Indian place value chart for 6-digit numbers. To the extreme right of the chart is the ones period. The ones period has 3 places: the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. To the left of the ones period is the thousands period. In the Indian place value system, the thousands period has 2 places: the thousands and the 10,000s. To the left of the thousands period is the lakhs period. For a 6-digit number, we only consider the place of lakhs in this period. Now, let's place the digits of the number in the Indian place value chart. So, starting from the right-hand side, 6, 5, and 4 are placed in the ones period. 3 and 2 are placed in the thousands period. And 1 is placed in the lakhs period. When writing a number in the Indian place value system, commas are used to separate the digits in the ones, thousands, and lakhs places. So, we count the first 3 digits from the right and put a comma before them. Then, we count the next 2 digits to the left and place another comma before them. Now, let's write the number name of this number. When we write the number name, we write them from left to right. The digit at the lakhs place is 1. Next, we put the word lakh in the place of the comma after the lakhs period. Next, we write the number formed by the digits in the thousands period. The number formed by the digits in the thousands period is 23. We then put the word thousand in place of the comma after the thousands period. Finally, we write the number formed by the digits in the ones period. It is 456. So, while reading the number, we read it as 1,23,456. The number 1,23,456, according to the Indian place value system, has 6 ones, 5 tens, 4 hundreds, 3 thousands, 2 10,000s, and 1 lakh. So, the expanded form of the number in the Indian system is as shown. Now it's time to check your understanding of the Indian place value system. Use the Indian place value system and fill in the blanks by clicking the numbers on the number pad.
So here there is an exercise which is following on with the form also. 8,60,300. The place value of 3 in the number 231895 is 30,000. The place value of a number at the lakhs place has how many zeros? 9,19,009. Yeah. So now children, we have seen the Indian numeration of system. So now we'll just go through the textbook and we'll see what is there in that. So introducing large numbers, we have seen this, right? So when we have the core one of the language, it is about the Indian system of numeration. So please go through the textbook over there. Please go through the content whichever has been given. So, and what you have to do is you have to answer these questions in your notebook. Write the number names for the following numerals. So what is the number name for this one? 7 ones, 6 tens, 0 hundreds. So you need to write the number names of this one. Please try to have do the number name and write the period and place of the colored digit in each numeral. Period and place. So what is the place and what is the period? You have to write it down and in your notebook. Okay. Compare the numbers. So children, now we are coming on to a conclusion. We learned about the large numbers and their formation. Indian system of numeration. Compare the numbers smaller, greater, and equal to. And please do home assignment of my turn 1. So we'll be sharing the answer key of the exercise. Let's try 1 to you immediately. Thank you.